I got my YouTube channel monetized with just 200 subscribers. As we all know that YouTube requirements for monetization is having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But I was able to get my own channel monetized with just 200 subscribers. And in this video, I am going to be spilling the tea. I'm going to be letting you know how I was able to achieve that. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Modupe. If you are a new subscriber, you are welcome to the family, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You are the real OG. So on this channel, I talk about editing tips for beginner content creators, and I also talk about TikTok monetization and how to make money online generally. So let's get into the video. So late 2023, I started posting on my YouTube channel. That was the first time I posted on my YouTube channel. So I was posting, I'd just come back from my NYC orientation camp. So I learned crochet and I started posting it. I was making tutorials, but I got very busy. It was very tasking, so I stopped. So early 2024, I opened a UK TikTok account and I started a faceless channel on it. So I was very consistent on it. I started growing the account, and within few months I was able to get it monetized. So after monetization, I started enjoying TikTok money. I was making money on TikTok. So around September 2024, I had a master class on TikTok monetization where I taught people how to start a faceless TikTok account and get it monetized. So around the same time, I made up my mind to get serious with YouTube again. But this time around, I started talking about the TikTok monetization on YouTube. If you go down my channel, you will see the crochet tutorials I was making. So it was very tasking. I stopped it and I started talking TikTok monetization. I started talking about TikTok monetization and also editing tips, because I love editing videos. I enjoy editing videos. That's why I also added the editing tips to it. So I started seeing results. To be honest, I was consistent. I started seeing subscribers. But to have 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is work. Yes, you really need to work. So how did I now get my YouTube channel monetized with just 200 subscribers? Here is the thing. So I made a video talking about the masterclass, the TikTok monetization masterclass I had last year. And to be honest, I've had people register for that course from this YouTube channel. I've been getting people registering for that course. So you don't need to wait for YouTube requirements before you monetize your YouTube channel. Yeah, I already monetized my YouTube channel because people are already paying for a course from YouTube channel. So if you have any skill or if you have any value you can offer to people, you can bring it here on YouTube and you start making money. Yes, you don't need to wait for YouTube requirements. You don't need to wait for 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours before you start making money on YouTube. Yes, I am already making money on YouTube without YouTube requirements. So this is how I got my YouTube monetized with just 200 subscribers. If you're also interested in this TikTok masterclass, let me also know in the comment section, because you can also be making money through TikTok. Yeah, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that you can see anytime I make my post. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.